Okay, so like I'm a little bit too early, so I'm already at the departure, and my boarding pass doesn't have the boarding gate, so that's how you know you're too early. I'm probably going to walk around and find some food first, even though because my flight is at 1:10 and it lands at like 5:45, means that there's going to be food served on the plane, but I mean, it's okay. And I guess it was a good call to actually take out my laptop and put it in my hand carry, because firstly, I was told that you can't check it in, and secondly, so being early, there's one good thing about being early, which is you can do some work while waiting for your flight. So that's probably what I'm going to do. It's like a coffee bean over there. So this is Terminal 3. Originally I thought it was Terminal 2, which is why I walked the opposite direction. So I tapped out and then I tapped back in and then I tapped out again. Yeah, but I didn't tap out on the T2 side, so that was good. If not, that's like, well, I have concession, so it doesn't matter, but it's just like you need to walk one long way. But before I got to the other side, I checked the board for the departures, and then I realized that it's actually supposed to be T3, not T2. Okay, let's go and look at some planes over there. It's just Singapore Airlines, but okay, so this time I'll be taking EVA Air because why not? And also I guess another thing is that, well, as I said, the comp this time I'm going to is in Kaohsiung. So I figured, okay, since I'm going to spend like at least 2 days, because the travel back and forth is actually like, well, it's not very long, it's like 1.5 hours, but the problem is like it'll be pretty rushed if I actually did like a 1-day maneuver or something. I'll be doing that in July, but not this time. So because July there are 2 comps. One is in New Taipei City, Xinbei-Shi, and the other one is in Tainan. But at least for the Xinbei one, it's a 1-day trip. Spoiler alert, so I'm actually going to like do a pilot run of my version of jet lag. Finally found a budget to do that, but okay, but the actual jet lag for the actual filming of the jet lag is not going to be released so soon. We haven't really planned the exact dates, even though basically my intention with like my collab partner is that I want to the plane is moving, is that I want it to be done in winter because it's colder. So yeah, we're going to do like a pilot test in the second weekend of July. I mean, by the time this video is out, it's not really a spoiler anymore. So yeah, but the actual filming of the real jet lag version, our version of jet lag, would be sometime in November to January. Yeah, so end of this year. So I mean, currently, as I want to mention again, it is 17th of June, so tomorrow is the actual competition. So I'm going to actually stay in a hotel in Kaohsiung area. Yeah, and after that, okay, so as for the hotel, you'll see later, but maybe tonight. But the hotel is a relatively expensive Howard Plaza hotel because it's actually 2 minutes away from the comp venue. I originally wanted to get something further, but I realized I'll be checking out after Sunday morning. So I think it's just better to get like a closer one, so that I have ample time to just head to the venue, store my luggage somewhere in the meantime, and then do all of that. Like, it just saves a lot of time, so I have to put in a little bit of money for that. Yeah. Don't really have much else to talk about now, so probably just going to get some food right now. Yeah.